Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have the Nest model, access to the Google account used to set it up, and the phone on the same Wi-Fi. First, open the Google Home or Nest app. Sign in if needed. Once done, tap the thermostat device in the app and look for a security or lock indicator. Make sure you can receive verification codes on the account email or phone. This is required to proceed with unlocking. You now authenticate ownership to remove the lock. In the app, access the thermostat settings and pick the security or reset option. If prompted, enter the account password and any two-step verification code sent to your phone or email. This proves you own the device. Once authenticated, choose Remove or the appropriate Unlock/Transfer option and follow the on-screen prompts. Make sure to enter any device PIN shown on the thermostat display so the cloud and device sync, and complete the unlock. You finish by confirming the thermostat reconnects to Wi-Fi and appears as a controllable device in Google Home. Once it shows online, complete any setup prompts like selecting location and scheduling. If unlocking fails, perform a factory reset. Remove power per your model instructions, hold the thermostat ring or button until the reset screen appears, then re-add the device to your account. If problems persist, make sure the thermostat was.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.